Hello, welcome to the tutorial video for paying a specific charge in WVU MyAccount. I have already logged in, and if you have any trouble getting to this point, you can watch our student WVU MyAccount login tutorial. Once you have logged in, some may see a blue box towards the top of their home screen that says you can directly pay rent, parking, or electric charged to your account for certain university apartments. Choose specific charge and go. If you do not see this box, that means you do not have any eligible charges on your account to utilize this feature. If you are seeing this box, you may use the drop-down to select specific charge and then click Go. The following page will be the Pay by Line Item screen. Here you can input the amount you would like to pay towards the charge of your choice in the space provided. Verify you input the accurate amount and then click Continue. Once you are on the next screen, select the payment method you would like to use. From there, the payment procedures are the same as those in our Making a Check or Card Payment tutorial videos. If you need any assistance from this point, please refer to one of our Making a Payment videos.